Piezo Wave Shockwave Therapy. Does it hurt? Yes, but it's not what you think. Stay tuned, we'll tell you all about it. Dr. Todd here, and I'm standing with Joe Lemon from Piezo Wave, and we're gonna talk about, does this hurt? Does it hurt? Does it hurt, Joe? Come on, be honest. Does it hurt? You're not gonna scare anyone away. Maybe you will.
I mean, look, honestly, it is a deep, dull ache. It's discomfort. I wouldn't necessarily say pain. It's not sharp pain. It's none of those like having a needle put in, but it is this like deep, dull discomfort that most people will feel. And that's what we're looking for.
And that's actually how we guide treatment is we're getting feedback from you as the patient. We're trying to find that damaged tissue. And once we do, you'll know and we'll know that we're on the right spot. And then we can either turn the intensity up a little bit.
Being able to actually have my tissue challenged, I can feel it. I had that confirmation between me and the actual therapist to know that, okay, they're on the right spot. This is what I came in for. So as a patient, that was confirmation. A lot of people will say it's one of those things that hurts so good. It's something that you really want it if you've been in like any type of chronic pain. You want to get that actual knot out. You want that to be opened up, and that's what you feel.
Awesome. So hopefully that answered the question or the thought that you have, does this hurt? Yeah, it hurts a little bit, but it hurts so good.
That's it.
All right, we'll see you in the next video. Video presentation by Meridian Gonstead Spine and Wellness of Meridian, Idaho. Our practice is dedicated to people suffering from neck pain, low back pain, tension headaches, migraine headaches, herniated discs, and leg pain such as sciatic. We have treatment protocols for musculoskeletal aches and pains, joint pain and dysfunction, and whiplash injury. Gonstead Spine Wellness offers a distinctive chiropractic experience. It is the only office in Idaho with digital motion X-ray technology. And this advanced imaging tool, combined with the Gonstead spinal analysis and necessary radiographs, enables precise identification of spinal issues. We provide safe and effective Gonstead adjustments, corrective care through chiropractic biophysics to enhance and sustain proper posture, and a 12-week transformation program. This program includes access to a comprehensive video exercise library for ongoing home support, ensuring long-term health and wellness. Call us at 208-888-6077, where results matter most.